Welcome to Glory, where we have fun, bring excitement, and innovate entertainment. In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 10 smartest animals in the world. So, before starting this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe because we enjoy hearing from you. Non-human animals continue to contradict our expectations about their intelligence, empathy, and mental processes. Our new knowledge for animal minds is exciting, but these insights also make it more urgent that we start questioning our presumptions about what makes a person. Here is the list of the top 10 smartest animals in the world. So, let's start. Number 10. Rats. Rats have been used by scientists as laboratory study animals for many years, and this is not a coincidence. The brain structure and how their mind works are very similar to humans, despite the fact that their brains are little and somewhat underdeveloped. Rats are sociable creatures as well. They start to display symptoms of depression and loneliness when left alone. Because of their psychological and social variations, rats are among the most intelligent creatures. Number 9. Crows. Similar to pigeons, crows are another extremely intelligent animal species that have served as messengers. When engaged in conflict with other animals, they're able to use complex group tactics such as flanking moves. Crows have a strong memory and can even learn to speak. Crows have been observed changing their migration routes to avoid hazardous places, according to researchers. Crows have ever been observed memorizing garbage routes and schedules in an effort to more successfully steal a fast snack from the trucks. Number 8. Octopus. Our ranking of the most intellectual animals in the world only includes the octopus. You might be wondering how smart an octopus is, considering it's the only one of its kind featured here. Captive octopuses have been recorded using high-order planning and several stages to escape from confinement, and some are able to purposely splash water repeatedly upon items, even outside of their tanks, to do damage. They have even been known to toss rocks at glass and open jars with screw-on lids. These cephalopods are quite intelligent. They pose as boulders in nature so they can move undetected. Octopuses move very slowly while imitating rocks, giving the impression that they're stationary by keeping pace with the water. Number 7. Dolphins. One of the planet's most intellectual creatures is the dolphin, which is well known. They have a strong capacity for imitation and learning. Separate pods of dolphins have been observed using mud to make fish traps and gathering sponges for protection while foraging among coral. These two instances show how dolphins may control their environment and use tools to accomplish their goals. Number 6. Ravens. Ravens are highly clever birds, and because of their jet black color and distinctive calls, they're frequently thought to be omens. Ravens have proven to be more adept at handling abstract ideas and foreseeing problems than human children. In one experiment, these birds chose a key from a variety of items that could be used later to open a box containing a preferred food, planning ahead by up to 17 hours. 90% of the time, the ravens decided on the key. This proves that the ravens had their plan for obtaining their treat well in advance. Number 5. Elephants. Animals' intelligence never ceases to astound us. Elephants are one example of an animal that we originally thought to be rather sluggish and stupid, but who's actually very intelligent. Elephants have been observed manipulating their surroundings on a number of instances in order to forward their objectives. At the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., an elephant named Kandula displayed the skills typical of his species. Number 4. African Gray Parrots. The African gray parrot tops this list of the smartest creatures among birds. These parrots can acquire human speech and have an extremely broad vocabulary. They're thought to be as intelligent as a 5-year-old human, up to hundreds of words. Additionally, African greys are capable of learning the links between bigger and smaller, different and similar, over and under, and recognize and distinguish shapes and colors. The African gray parrot is a well-liked pet that's domesticated all over the world, but its natural habitat is the Central African rainforests. Number 3. Chimpanzees. On this list of the smartest animals, our closest genetic relative comes in third. Chimpanzees originate from sub-Saharan Africa and share 98% of our DNA. Chimpanzees are skilled tool users, and it has been observed that they improvise tools from accessible materials to create things they require. These big apes also employ psychological strategies. They will influence members of their own families to carry out particular activities. Number 2. Orangutans. The origin of orangutans in this area is quite intriguing. The orangutan is able to utilize tools, acquire sign language, and have intricate social systems with rituals, just like chimpanzees. Their cognitive capacity to comprehend the why or the logic underlying a certain behavior is what really distinguishes them. An orangutan has learned how to use tools and put together a straightforward structure while in captivity. Given that almost 97% of their DNA is similar to that of humans, it's not surprising that orangutans are extremely intelligent. Number 1. Humans. We often use our intelligence as a benchmark when assessing the intelligence of our species because we're humans. Our ability to learn from experience, apply knowledge to influence our environment, adapt to new circumstances, and comprehend and manage abstract concepts are the key indicators of intelligence that we demonstrate and test for. These broad categories encompass a wide range of competencies, including the capacity to learn, recall, memorize, reason, observe, and solve problems. We as a species are excellent at all of these things. Therefore, we anticipate that other intelligent species will be excellent at them as well. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have plenty more fun and exciting topics coming, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time on Glory Bull TV.